Hello and thanks for having a look at this 2022 Ford Bronco. This is a Big Bend series. It's got the 2.3 liter EcoBoost 10-speed transmission, and this one is in shadow black. If you've been following the Bronco, you know how hard these are to find. This is our first Big Bend edition in black that we've had. See the interior, it's got the cloth gray with black seats, soft top. It's got that nice 8-inch LCD display. Spacious back seats, got room for 3 in the back. If you haven't seen these in person yet, definitely come check one out while it's on the lot. AC power and USB ports in the back. You've got the USB A and C ports in the back seat. Give you a look in the trunk here. Good amount of trunk space in the 4-door Bronco. Apologize for the sun glare. Not the optimal shooting conditions here, but we wanted to get this one online as soon as possible. So you have the window controls on the center console, also those GOAT modes, which I'll go through in a second. Got navigation in this one, backup camera, Sirius XM. Also, this one has the 4.27 gear ratio, rear axle locking differential. It's got 17-inch wheels, 32-inch all-terrain tires, and here's those GOAT modes. This comes in handy in different driving conditions. So again, these have not been lasting on our lot long. We're trying to get this one up before it is sold. Trying to get this video up, that is. So if you're interested, definitely come check it out. 323 Quaker Road in Queensbury. Give us a call, 518-798-8834. Thanks for having a look.